TMSS local church. I'm also a former nominated MCA Bungoma County Assembly.
Wote tunashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu. Huyu amekuja kumjoin kwa sababu nyumba hii ni kubwa sana. Hawawezi peke yao ama
You make heavy promises during campaign, and we knew most of them were unrealistic, for sure. I used to remind, don't think that because if you follow the promises of both Azimio and Kenya Kwanza that time, it was like whichever wins, by October Kenya looked like a little heaven, because the promises were so heavy that everything is sorted out. So it is now a moment to face the truth. Just come out and tell Kenyans, the promises we made are unrealistic. Now let's go to prioritization. This is our priority number 1. Priority number 2, put aside until we get enough. Then we can now go to priority number 2. But if we try to push, to achieve what we promised, and we all know that we have nothing to deliver the promises, then we are going to break everybody's back. You will even break your back, struggling to make happen what you know it can't happen. So let us just humble ourselves, face the moment of truth, and say, ndugu wenzangu, hii ndio ukweli. This is how we look like. We have to live within our means. Now we are going to reschedule our promises. Some are going to the next term or the other term because we can't deliver now. The priorities for this term are this and that, and we can be able to manage our country's affairs in a better way.
Hii maneno ya kulazimisha watu kulipa tax ya nyumba, hiyo go slow. Go slow need my humble submission. Go slow on that one. Life is impossible. Life is becoming very difficult for many of us to survive. Mtu teremshie tu maisha.